Hi everyone, I am Pulkit and I'm a software engineer. And today I'm going to tell you why should you learn to code. Doesn't matter if you're not a very technical person or you love your non-coding job so much or you don't even want to build a career in coding. Okay, so then why am I telling you that you should learn to code? So the number one and the most important reason I feel everyone should learn to code is to know its limits and what products can be built using coding. Even having basic knowledge of coding is enough. It's a tech-driven world and the way COVID has affected businesses, almost everything would move online sooner or later. Having a skill like coding would put you ahead in this cutthroat world. It doesn't matter if you're an operations person or a manager, coding would help you stay ahead in case of automation projects come in or layoff happens. As my favorite internet person Naval says, learn to build, learn to sell, and if you can do both, you will be unstoppable. Number two is programming makes you smarter. It forces you to think logically, it forces you to solve problems, and the best, it forces you to give up. And not giving up on that teaches you to rest and attack the problem again you've been stuck with. It teaches you to think big and it also teaches you to break down a problem and solve it more efficiently. Programming will create an effective and a productive mindset towards solving problems, which would definitely help you in other areas you pursue in life. This is just a fact which would fascinate you a lot more to code is that the Apollo 11 mission in 1969 to Moon had computer processing power which was 1 lakh times less than the phone in your hand. Means you can launch about 1 lakh Apollo 11 missions to Moon just with your phone. So these things have immense untapped processing power which are waiting for your ideas to work on. Also learning to code and knowing about its potential and its limits would help you identify various things you do at your home or at your workplace which can be done more effectively with either an app or a piece of code. So if you spend an hour doing something, you can walk your way through building something that will perform the same task in a matter of seconds. You can drive a business through solving a problem which multiple people might be facing around you. Also, coding has gotten a lot more easier in 2020 than it was to do 10 years back. By that, I mean that your learning process can be a lot more faster and you can reach an earning level a lot more quicker than it was to do 10 years back. And there are coding languages now which are a lot less complex and have easy understandable syntax for a beginner to start. So yeah, this was my take on why should you learn to code in 2020, and the amount of times we have on our hands should be used more effectively, and learning to code is the best thing you can do right now. Thanks a lot for watching the video and do subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Bye bye.